Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to edit or unsend messages on iMessage. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use this feature, you'll have to update your iOS to iOS 16 or above. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down, then you will see this option General, tap on it. After that, tap on Software Update. And if you see any update or install button on this page, tap on it, and once your iOS is up to date, go back to your home screen. Now open your iMessage app, then go to the message where you want to edit or unsend. Long press on the message that you want to edit or unsend. For example, once you long press on a message, you will get this pop-up. On this pop-up, you will get this edit button, and if you tap on edit, now you can edit your message. Once you have edited your message, tap on the tick mark. Then the message will be edited and you will get this edited notification on your screen. If you want to delete a message, long press on the message, then tap on more. Then you'll get this trash icon at bottom left corner, tap on it. Then on your screen, you will see this option delete message, tap on it. Then the message will be deleted. You can follow same method to delete other attachments besides messages. For example, if you have sent wrong sticker, long press on the sticker, then tap on more. Then again you'll get this trash icon at the bottom left corner, tap on it, then tap on delete message. So this is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.